Hi everybody. Today's video is for Tuesday's lesson, April 28th. We're going to be reading 2 pages from the My Perspectives book. Looks something like that. You should recognize that. We're going to be reading What on Earth is Left to Explore. So we're going to be reading page 404 and page 405. After this, you have some questions in a Google Doc to help you. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, here we go. So this unit 5 is all about exploration. So this 2 little page article is going to talk about that too. It's actually an argument where the author is trying to argue and give deep details and defend their position on a topic. Here we go. We're starting right here. At the beginning of the 1800s, the United States was a young country, and most people lived in small towns clustered on the Atlantic Ocean. To the west lay an entire continent full of mystery and compromise. Paragraph 2. Government leaders believed that exploration of the continent was important. Exploration would bring knowledge and resources. Urged on by President Thomas Jefferson, Congress funded a small expedition to explore the lands west of the Mississippi River. The Lewis and Clark expedition became one of the most famous exploratory journeys in history. Paragraph 3. In the modern world, the idea of exploration has changed. Cars, trains, and airplanes have made the world seem much smaller. People seem to be everywhere. Thousands have climbed Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain. There are even people living in Antarctica, the world's coldest continent. In addition, the internet allows people to visit faraway places through the screens on their computers. Given these changes, some people may ask whether exploration matters anymore. Is there anything left to explore? So if you look right here where it says, is there anything left to explore? The author now is going to go into an argument whether yes, there is or no, there's not. Let's find out. The answer is simple. Exploration matters as much today as it ever has. So this author's argument is yes, we still need to explore. Let's go to paragraph 4. Let's start with ocean exploration. It is true that much of the Earth has been visited and charted. However, we should remember that people actually live on less than 20% of the planet. We inhabit the land, but Earth is mostly ocean. Vast stretches. Turn the page, sorry about that. Vast stretches there we go. Sorry about this. Let's do it like this. Vast stretches of the ocean are hidden under miles of water. The little we do know about these secret places is fascinating. For example, almost a quarter of the Earth is made up of a single mountain range. It just so happens to be under the sea. Consider the ocean wonders we might find as we explore. Paragraph 5. Ocean exploration might help us solve tough problems. For example, it might lead to new food resources for the planet's growing population. It might also help to find ways to slow damage to the environment. These types of problems threaten all of us, and we need solutions. They make the need for ocean exploration more important than ever. Let me put this back on. We're now in paragraph 6. Right here. Space exploration is another area of great importance. Human beings have always been interested in the skies. We are curious about the stars and the planets and the possibility that they hold other intelligent life. Satisfying that curiosity is one good reason to explore space. Another reason is that by exploring beyond Earth, we will answer essential questions about the history of our solar system and the universe itself. This will help us understand our own planet and ourselves better. Human exploration of space also has practical benefits. According to NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, space exploration pushes us to expand technology, create new industries, and help to foster a peaceful connection with other nations. So we're now down to the last paragraph here. This will be our last paragraph for our reading, paragraph 7. Lewis and Clark did not know what they would find as they set out their journey. They only knew that they would have an adventure. In the end, their efforts added to the country's territory and to people's knowledge and understanding. The results of the exploration may not always be that impressive, but that may not be the point. The need to explore and extend the boundaries of knowledge remains vital and should continue. So please use this video to help you with your Google Doc. You can always pause the camera when I'm on certain, pause the video once I'm on certain paragraphs. This is our lesson for today, for Tuesday, April 28th. See you next time.